I am from Odisha, and
Okay.
currently I am living in Kerala. I am working here as a worker in manufacturing company.
Okay. So what is your designation in that company?
As a worker,
Okay.
like
So what are your educational qualifications? Can you tell some?
okay, I did my 12th in 2016.
Okay.
After that, I drop out. Like for
Okay.
financial problem, I like not complete my graduation.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I like to reading books and watching YouTube videos, and if I get time, then I I like to playing cricket.
Okay. So is it your first session with English Talkie or you have attended other sessions before?
Yes, I already attended. Uh, I think 9 or 10 I already complete.
Okay. Okay. So basically, how much improvement have you seen in yourself till now? Like from the beginning till now, how much improvement have you seen in yourself?
Okay, yes, like my starting period, like uh, I am not confident that time, so I build my
I
confidence.
was, I was not
Yes,
confident.
yes, because actually, like I am very poor, like in communication skills. I am not able to
Okay,
speak with somebody, so that's why I join here, and like I
okay.
learn like communication skills through English both. That's why
Yes,
like I
because
joined this.
English is a universal language which connects people. So when you are learning this
Yes,
language, then you are able to talk to someone freely.
yes,
Yes. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic. Topic is about risk,
yes,
right?
yes.
So what is risk according to you? What is the definition of risk according to you?
Risk means like any work like when I try to do like not sure that we will like uh, we will not fully sure that we uh, like got success, like we will get success, that
Okay, like
things that's
something
not
which
sure.
whose result is unknown, something whose result is unknown, and something which is very uncertain, and it may be
Yes,
dangerous also, but you are
yes,
doing that with
yes,
courage. That is called risk, right?
yes.
So, any example of risk, biggest risk which you have taken in your life till now?
No, I think I take any biggest risk, but one of that what's called this
Yeah,
learning
please say.
process also, I think it's also a small risk, because before I
Okay,
joined
because you're
this
not sure.
session, yes,
Okay,
that time like I am afraid with talking people, okay, and I am not able to like speak with somebody one, like some anyone, and when I
okay,
my first session I talk the tutor that time, like I get very nervous, and I like didn't talk any single word also. Just I was her. I try to speak, but like uh, I don't able that time. So now a
okay.
little bit I improve,
Like
and
learning is
I am
also
able
kind
to
of
speak.
risk.
I think it's
Okay,
my
okay, I
small
got
risk.
it. Like I got it. Like when you started, you were not sure that whether you will be able to do it or not. That's why
Yes, yes,
it's a kind of risk for you,
yes,
right? So, do you think risk lead to success?
yes, yes,
Somewhere risk is related to success.
yes, yes. Because many like many motivational videos I already watched that they told like without risk like never got success, and
Yes,
I heard that kind of story also, many stories.
yes.
So, without
So,
risk,
if you work, yeah, that without risk, we cannot jump to higher levels.
yes, yes,
So, if you were given a job which was full of risk, would you go for it or not? Like, if you're having an emergency and you don't have any option, you have only one job and that is also risky, then you would go for it or not? Are
yes,
you
yes.
a risk taker?
Like if there no other option, then I will like definitely do that job.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So, anything which we feel is worth taking risk is able, then only we are able to take risk for that. Like we whenever we are taking risk, then we should first see that whether we are going in a direction which is feasible or not, right?
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't get.
I am saying that whenever we are having some option, then first we should look what are the future aspects, what can
Yes,
be the
yes,
possibilities. Then only we should take risk. Otherwise,
yes,
if
yes,
we are taking risk, and we are not getting anything, then there is no use. It's just a wastage of time. Like one example of risk you can go for is investment. It's also kind of risk, like share markets, stock market. These kind of
yes, yes,
things are also risky, but still people are going behind it because in return they have an idea that they will get some more amount of money.
yes,
So, do you think money is worth taking risk? Money is such a thing that it is worth taking risk.
yes, yes. Because
Why?
like if we like any business if you want to do, then like we need to invest first. Without investment, like we will not able to like do any business.
Yes, you're right. Somewhere we have to invest because
Yes,
even if we are starting something for startup, we always need some amount of money. And if we don't invest that money, then we are not going to return something, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, so have you gone through the words of the vocabulary?
No, no.
So they were simple words like hazard. Hazard means a danger or risk. They are simple words. So if you will
Okay,
go through them, then just try to make sentences with those words when you understand the meaning. That will help you enhance your vocabulary, right?
okay.
Okay, then anything about risk you want to ask me?
Thing
Any
is
question in your mind? Anything?
okay. Actually, I don't have any question, but
See, the way is thing is to make the session interactive. If I am
okay,
asking something to you, then you have the right to ask that thing to me also. When I am asking you, like, what is risk you have taken in your life, and you are answering me, then you can ask the same question to me. Like, if I ask you, are you a risk taker? Tell me, are you a risk taker? Do you take risk often, or you don't like to take risk?
okay.
Yes, tell me,
Sorry.
please. Do you want to take
Sorry.
risk or not? Do you like to take risk or not?
Okay. Yes, I like to like take risk, and like I already like decided to do my own business, and I want to left my job. So like I
Yes,
uh,
business is really a good idea because you are there, your own master. You don't have to work
yes, yes,
under someone.
yes, yes, and that's why
Okay,
like
so
I am
that
preparing myself.
okay, that's so nice of you. So somewhere, I want to correct some of the things which I noticed today in your conversation. Shall I?
Oh,
Okay. So one thing I noticed that when you're speaking something which is related to the past, then you have to take care of the tense which you are using. At that place, you have to use the past tense. Like if you're saying about past, then you should use I was, not I am. Okay.
okay, okay,
If you're telling any story which is about like some of the past, which is about some years ago, some months ago, then you have to use the past tense. So when you do you read anything like any book or for you just practice here or you just read also like any book you are going through, anything you are
yes,
going through just to improve your grammar.
yes, like
Which book are you referring?
yes, that's storybooks, moral value of
Okay, so you're reading story books
yes,
for like for practicing the reading and to improve your yes.
yes,
You can go through that book.
reading
So you
practice.
notice there. Yes. Then you notice there is a sentence. Then when you will read the sentence, you will get to know that if the author is talking about the present tense, then he will be using is, am, has, have. But if he's talking about the past tense, he will be using was, were, had.
Yes,
So
yes,
when we
yes,
are speaking, then we have to keep in mind these things, right?
okay, okay.
Okay. Anything else you would like to ask, any advice you would like to take from my side regarding your communication skills or your English speaking skills? Anything you would like to ask me, please go ahead.
Okay. Actually, like I am not able to like frequently ask questions, like how
Okay.
to build that.
Okay. So you can do one thing. You can do one thing. Like you are reading something and some question comes to your mind. Then you can write that question. And when you are there in a session with any tutor, at that time you can ask that question.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Also, when you're reading, you're practicing, try to write also. That will also improve your grammar. Like, write one, take one simple topic like dog, pets, mother, father, anything you can take, a normal simple topic of any daily life example. You can take it and then you can write one paragraph on it, one page on it, then read it, find out your mistakes. That will help you improve.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Just keep these tips in mind. Thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure to meet you here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hope to meet you soon again. Thank you so much.